Okay guys, let's go. Well, today I was going to do a video on bottling ginger beer 2.0. Bit of controversy with the first batch I did. I put in 6 kilos of sugar in a 23 litre batch, and I had a stack of people going, "Hey Trev, it's going to be too strong," or the yeast there's too much sugar, it's going to kill the yeast. Anyway, we bottled up that brew and people loved it. One thing I can say, it was too sweet. It's not something you can sit down and drink a half a dozen ginger beers, because yeah, it was too sweet. So anyway, we're still drinking that. It's yummy, but this 2.0, the second batch, I've only put in 3 kilos of sugar, and that should bring it out at around 5%, same as beer, and it won't be so sweet, so you can sit down and drink a few without going, "Ooh, that's a bit too sweet." Anyway, that being said, I had to come up with an idea for today's video, and the old elephant in the closet, hangovers. Now, if you want to know hangovers and hangover cures is basically what I'm talking about. If you want to know all the technical stuff, go and Google it. This is I've just asked a few people randomly, and I said, what are your tips and tricks for getting over a hangover? Alrighty, so we'll start off with my brother Jeff. Jeff's theory was, the next day, he's got nothing before drinking. His theory was, okay Trev, when you get up in the morning, get yourself a big old tub of ice water and dunk your head in it. He said, Trev, numb out your head. That's all you want to do. Numb your head a few times, and then get you a big bucket of KFC and just mung out on drumsticks. That's Jeff's theory. Then my other brother Ashley, his theory was, Trev, don't get a big hangover in the first place. So his theory is, get yourself a carton of light beer, drink your beers, wake up next day, brand new. Well, he says he's brand new. I think he puts on a bit of a brave face, but that's Asho's theory. And then the lovely Elise. I said, Elise, what do you reckon? And she goes, sort of the same as Jeff. A good trick, if you are really under the weather, is to just get in a car, go find yourself a lake, like we got Lake Eacham or Lake Green or Tinaroo. Get yourself to a lake, have a swim, freshen up, nice cold water. That's her theory. And follow it with a greasy breakfast. Greasy breakfast is pretty popular. All right. My old mate Paul, asked him yesterday at the Easter celebrations, and he says, one thing Trev, stick to one drink. Don't be mixing. Don't start on beer and go to scotch and then go to Zambuca or anything like that. Stick to one grog. That's Paul's theory. And Jeff also said, hair the dog, Trev, get you a nice stiff drink. I forget what he said. I think it was, I don't know. He said have a drink in the morning, but I couldn't do that. All right, now this is my theory, okay? I'm a bit of an expert in this department. All right, you're gonna have a big night. Before you go out, have a feed. Have a nice big feed. Go out, because I used to always go out in a hungry, empty belly, so you fit more beers in. I said, no. Get yourself a good feed in the belly before you go out. Then, throughout the night, whatever you're drinking, have a drink. Have a glass of water. Have a drink. Have a glass of water. After about 3 drinks, your glass of water will be every second one and every third one, and then you'll forget about it by the end of the night. All right. Baroccas and hydrolytes. When you get home from your big night out, get yourself a big tall glass of water, 1 Barocca tablet, 1 hydrolyte tablet. Fizz it up, drink it, and then take one of your missus's multivitamins. Then a good drink of water, hit the sack, sleep it off, and when you get up in the morning, straight in, 1 more Barocca and hydrolyte, and then get on with your day. All right, now my next theory. So I've gotten up, I'm a bit under the weather, had my Baroccas, don't eat yet. all right, what you got to do is get outside and jump on the whippy or jump on the mower and do an hour's work. Bloody whippy the garden, get on the chainsaw if you're not too wobbly, cut some trees, you know, do that, get a good sweat up for an hour, hour and a half, then go and have a shower, then have your brekkie. And my brekkie would be, I like a good old traditional bacon and eggs. So, that's me theory. Yep, that's me theory. I can't think of anything else to say. Stick to Trev's tricks on that with the hydrolytes and the Baroccas, the multis, the water, because, yeah, I think dehydration, that's the killer, dehydration. Don't let yourself get dry, keep up the water, all of that. All right, what else? What else can I keep you up with? We had a little update on the wines a couple of days ago. Don't need to tell you about that again. These guys are still bubbling, the first two, and then that one. And then we've got the mandarin wine. Actually, I might give you a look at the mandarin wine. I'll just come around. Yeah, I'll just hold that there, see if you can see. See if that, I don't know if you can see that, but it's bubbling and it's turmoiling and just moving around. And so with the two original wines that I've got going, I don't think I'm going to rack them because it's store-bought juice. There's no pith or pulp or, you know, whatever in it. So it's pretty clean. These are pretty clean. This mandarin, however, you got all your pulp and everything that's all come to the top. So I will rack this in maybe another 2 weeks time or 1 week, whatever I feel like, and then let it sit and finish its fermentation. Well, that's about it. All right, next video, I'm thinking about doing a battered sav. No, not battered sav. What do we call it here? Pluto pup. I'm gonna make some Pluto pups. We'll give that a go. We'll cook them up in here in the wok with the oil and everything, and see if we can make as close to like a showy Dagwood dog, Pluto pup, whatever you want to call it, as close to that as we can, and we'll give it a taste test. All right. See you on the next one, eh?